Hi everyone, this is me again, Kenneth Paul Bermejo. As you can see, we have model house here, townhouse. We have 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So, papasok tayo ngayon dito sa model house na Andorra. We are now entering our living area here, and we have the dining area, and we also have kitchen here. We have here the toilet at the ground floor. Andorra is actually 62.50 SQM floor area. So, ito yung pinaka main area kung saan pwede kang magtanggap ng bisita. Tara, akyat tayo. Let's see. Kung mapapansin ninyo, mataas ang ceiling here. And we have 3 bedrooms here upstairs. We have the master's bedroom here. Maganda yung pagkaka-create ng ambience here, and we also have here ang ating another room. And we also have here yung client kasi naglagay dito ng baby's room, which is area ng mga actually yung mga nag-i-start pa lang ng family. I can actually advise